Hey everyone, it's John here. Today we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us, the financial mistakes that keep people broke. We've all been there, right? That feeling of living paycheck to paycheck, never quite getting ahead. Well, I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. By avoiding these 5 common financial mistakes, you can take control of your money and start building a more secure future. Let's get into it. The first mistake is so common, it's almost an epidemic: living beyond your means. In today's world, it's easy to fall into the trap of spending more than you earn. With the rise of credit cards and easy loans, many people find themselves in a cycle of debt that seems impossible to break. It's not just about buying things you don't need, it's about creating a lifestyle that you can't sustain. This can lead to stress, anxiety, and a constant feeling of being overwhelmed. The pressure to keep up with others can be immense, but it's important to remember that financial stability is more valuable than any material possession. We're constantly bombarded with ads, influencers telling us to buy the latest gadgets and the newest trends. Social media platforms are filled with images of luxury and excess, making it seem like everyone else is living a perfect life. But what we don't see is the financial strain that often accompanies this lifestyle. The reality is that many of these influencers and celebrities are also struggling with debt, despite their outward appearances. It's crucial to understand that what we see online is often a curated version of reality, designed to make us feel inadequate and encourage us to spend more, and societal pressures to keep up with the Joneses. This phrase has become synonymous with the idea of comparing ourselves to others and trying to match their level of consumption. Whether it's buying a new car, upgrading to a bigger house, or constantly shopping for the latest fashion, the desire to fit in can drive us to make poor financial decisions. It's important to recognize that true happiness and fulfillment come from within, not from the things we own. By focusing on our own financial goals and priorities, we can break free from the cycle of comparison and live a more content and financially secure life. But here's the truth: trying to live a lifestyle you can't truly afford is a recipe for disaster. The stress of constantly worrying about money can take a toll on your mental and physical health. It can strain relationships and lead to a sense of hopelessness. Instead of chasing after an unattainable lifestyle, it's important to create a budget and stick to it. By living within your means, you can build a solid financial foundation and work towards your long-term goals. This might mean making some sacrifices in the short term, but the peace of mind that comes with financial stability is well worth it. It's like building a house on a foundation of sand. No matter how beautiful the house looks on the outside, it will eventually crumble if the foundation is not strong. The same goes for your finances. Without a solid financial plan, you are setting yourself up for failure. It's important to take the time to understand your income, expenses, and financial goals. By creating a realistic budget and sticking to it, you can build a strong financial foundation that will support you for years to come. Every time you swipe your credit card for something you don't need, you're digging yourself deeper into debt. It's easy to justify small purchases, but they can quickly add up and lead to significant financial problems. Instead of relying on credit cards, try to save up for the things you want. This will not only help you avoid debt, but also give you a greater sense of satisfaction when you finally make the purchase. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, but about making smart financial choices that will benefit you in the long run. And that debt, it comes with a hefty price tag: interest rates that eat away at your hard-earned money. High interest rates can make it difficult to pay off your debt, as a significant portion of your payments goes towards interest rather than the principal amount. This can create a vicious cycle where you are constantly paying off interest without making much progress on the actual debt. To avoid this, it's important to pay off your credit card balances in full each month and avoid carrying a balance. If you are already in debt, consider speaking with a financial advisor to create a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. By taking control of your finances and making informed decisions, you can break free from the cycle of debt and build a secure financial future. The second mistake is like sailing without a map, not having a budget. Imagine trying to navigate through a dense forest without a compass or a GPS. You'd likely get lost, right? The same principle applies to your finances. Without a budget, you're essentially wandering aimlessly with your money, not knowing where it's going or how it's being spent. Look, I get it. Budgeting doesn't exactly sound like the most exciting way to spend your time. It can feel tedious and overwhelming, especially if you're not a numbers person. But here's the thing. Budgeting is not about restricting yourself. It's about understanding your financial habits and making informed decisions. But trust me, it's one of the most important things you can do for your financial well-being. When you have a budget, you gain control over your money instead of letting it control you. You can plan for future expenses, save for big purchases, and even set aside money for fun activities without feeling guilty. Think of a budget as your financial roadmap. It helps you track where your money is going, ensuring that every dollar has a purpose. Whether you're using a simple spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or even a pen and paper, the key is to be consistent and honest with yourself about your spending. A budget allows you to identify areas where you can cut back and make sure you're prioritizing your financial goals. Maybe you'll realize you're spending too much on dining out or subscriptions you don't use. By reallocating those funds, you can save more or pay off debt faster. Without a budget, it's way too easy to overspend without even realizing it. You might find yourself shocked at your credit card statement or wondering where all your money went at the end of the month. A budget helps you avoid these surprises and gives you peace of mind, knowing that you're in control of your financial future. So, take the time to create a budget that works for you. It doesn't have to be perfect, and it will likely evolve over time. The important thing is to start. Your future self will thank you for it. Chapter 3. The third mistake is like leaving money on the table. Not investing. Imagine you have a golden opportunity right in front of you, but you choose to ignore it. That's what not investing is like. It's a missed chance to grow your wealth and secure your financial future. Many people think investing is only for the wealthy, but that's simply not true. Investing is accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial background. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or someone nearing retirement, there are investment options tailored to your needs and goals. You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz or have a ton of money to get started. With the rise of online investment platforms and robo-advisors, it's easier than ever to begin your investment journey. These tools provide guidance and automate the process, making it simple for beginners to dive in. Investing is one of the most powerful ways to grow your wealth over time. Historical data shows that, despite market fluctuations, investments in stocks, bonds, and other assets tend to increase in value over the long term. This growth can significantly outpace the returns from a traditional savings account. When you invest, your money has the potential to earn interest, dividends, and appreciate in value. This means that your initial investment can generate additional income, which can be reinvested to compound your returns. Over time, this compounding effect can lead to substantial growth in your portfolio. It's like putting your money to work for you, instead of just sitting in a savings account losing value to inflation. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of your money, meaning that over time the same amount of money will buy you less. By investing, you can protect your wealth from inflation and even grow it. Educating yourself about investing is crucial. There are countless resources available, from books and online courses to seminars and financial advisors. By learning the basics, you can make informed decisions and develop a strategy that aligns with your financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is the first step. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, planning for your children's education, or building a retirement nest egg, having specific objectives will guide your investment choices. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your portfolio ensures that you stay on track. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. By starting early and staying committed, you can achieve financial security and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your money is working for you. Chapter 4. The fourth mistake is like driving without a spare tire, not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected expenses can pop up at any time. A medical bill, car repairs, or maybe you lose your job. Without an emergency fund, these unexpected events can completely derail your finances and send you spiraling into debt. Having 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up can give you peace of mind and financial security. Chapter 5. The fifth mistake is like trying to bake a cake without a recipe, not seeking financial education. In today's world, financial literacy is more important than ever. There's so much information available online, in books, and through courses. Take the time to learn about personal finance basics like budgeting, investing, and managing debt. The more you know about managing your money, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions and achieve your goals. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on how to improve your financial future. Remember, achieving financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Start by taking small steps today to avoid these common mistakes, and you'll be well on your way to building a brighter financial future. See you next time.